Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating on your steps today. So, last time we met, it was your job to work on the Lift Every Voice and Sing worksheet. To be honest, I've never done this project before, so I didn't know how long it would take. I originally said it should be done within the class period, but very few of you did that. So what I'm going to do is give you another entire class period to finish up the worksheet, which includes the final project as well as a reflection in the worksheet. So let's look a little bit closer at our steps for today. So if you're at school today, which means you're hybrid at school, please make sure that your final inequity charger design is done first before starting, and we'll continue to work on this worksheet. Again, if you were at home yesterday, then obviously you couldn't do this, but I want to make sure we're equitable and give each person, each cohort a fair chance to finish that final project. If you're done with this, or after you're done with this, you're going to continue to work on this worksheet. Again, this worksheet has several questions. At this point, you should hopefully be done with page 1 and page 2. I think very few people were not past page or question 10. This section here with these 3 different columns, visually looking at the artwork, visually looking at the poetry, or reading the poetry and looking at the music, addresses 11, 12, and 13 questions. A lot of people are getting done with 13 as well. And then 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 focus on the final project. So this kind of 14, 15, 16, 17 build up to the final, which is right here. So please make sure that you research your song, post it in YouTube. Remember, it needs to be school appropriate. You'll be writing down different things you think of when you hear that song based off of places, emotions, colors, etc. And then you're doing some small sketches. I'd spend about 5 to 10 minutes on each sketch. Remember, this is kind of separate sketches that you're doing, not the composition combined together. And then once you've done those sketches, you can reference them to put your final together. So again, make sure you take a look at this video here, which demonstrates how to create the artwork inspired by your song. So again, this is time-lapse, but it shows how to complete that, or at least how I completed my example. Once you're done with your drawings, make sure you click the right column, click Insert, and then upload from your computer and your drive, and that's where you'll be posting your photos here and here. This is the reflection section. Again, you need to make sure that you're describing your artwork. So think about shape, color, line, value, and pattern. Also, make sure you clarify how it's influenced by your song. So is there literal objects in there that's from the song, or is it more of a conceptual interpretation? Reflection, describing the craftsmanship and creativity. And then when you're done with your project, you got to turn this in. So to turn this in, you got to go to Google Classroom. You've got to go down to the topic 6, Lift Every Voice and Sing, and then you're going to click View Assignment, and then you're going to be turning it in. So obviously a lot of people still need some time to work on that, so I want to make sure I give you that time to do it. Once you're done with your project and you've turned it in successfully, you are then going to be, whoa, wrong one, nope, wrong one, nope, wrong one. Once you're done with your worksheet and you successfully turn it in, you are then going to be working on any other missing work. Again, you should have started with the final inequity charger, but if you still need to do the artist statement for that, if you still need to do the Andy Goldsworthy project from that, if you still need to do the Deborah Butterfield activity or the Still Life activity, don't let those small little one-day activities pile up. We want to make sure we get those done because those will add up to bring down your score. So just keep that in mind. So again, today's goal is to finish the worksheet and turn it in and finish any missing work. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks and have a good day.